She's a global phenomenon.
I'm going to carry them as long as they'll let me have them.
12 Grammy Awards.
Taylor, the back of the dress. Yes, Taylor, right here.
More than 36 billion streams. And countless chart toppers. Like Love Story. And Shake It Off. Taylor Swift's highly anticipated Eras Tour now underway, blowing up on social media, or on Swift Talk, as some call it. More than a dozen outfit changes. A marathonic 44-song performance, including fan favorite, Cruel Summer. Swift even nodding to the madness fans faced to get a ticket.
That if you're here tonight, there's a pretty good chance that you went to a considerable amount of effort to be with us tonight. Is that true?
Ticketmaster has got to go. Hey, hey.
Today in Los Angeles, those efforts on display as a federal judge began hearing arguments in a civil suit following the Ticketmaster fiasco that started it all.
Today was a great day. I think it's a great day for all consumers.
That chaotic process played out in mid-November as millions of Taylor Swift fans spent hours trying to get tickets.
Are you joking? What?
Many left empty-handed.
The tickets you have selected have been released.
The line has stopped moving. The website fully crashed. I waited in line for like 6 hours.
More than 300 of those fans couldn't shake it off, so instead, they took it to court, suing Ticketmaster and its parent company Live Nation for fraud, misrepresentation, and antitrust violations. Ticketmaster's parent company, Live Nation, defended itself in a November 19th statement, saying, Live Nation takes its responsibilities under the antitrust laws seriously and does not engage in behaviors that would require it to alter fundamental business practices. They also said it has a significant share of the primary ticketing services market because of the large gap that exists between the quality of the Ticketmaster system and the next best primary ticketing system. That Ticketmaster continues to be the leader in such an environment is a testament to the platform and those who operate it, not to any anti-competitive business practices.
I have been a fan of Taylor, I think from the beginning.
Julie Barfus, a Utah resident, is the lead plaintiff in the suit.
I signed up for the pre-sale. I got a code. The day of the sale, I followed the instructions that they'd given us, logged on, and it was just a crazy mess.
After multiple attempts at buying tickets, her credit card was maxed out.
It was over $14,000 in charges, 41 transactions. So every time I had tried, a charge had gone against my card, but I didn't have the tickets. And no one could do anything for me at that point to fix it. I filmed a video that I posted on TikTok, and it went viral. And that's really how I ended up connecting with Jennifer Kinder and getting involved in the lawsuit.
Barfus is just one of several plaintiffs who traveled to Los Angeles for the first court hearing in the case.
The tickets were crazy priced. The service fees are out of control. And where else can you buy your tickets?
I have a good feeling about today. And I know that no matter what, it's not going to be the end of it.
Attorney Jennifer Kinder is representing those who went from Swifties to plaintiffs. She was inspired after she failed to get tickets herself.
It became pretty apparent on social media that there was a fire that was started.
Why was it important for this to not be a class action lawsuit?
The people that make the money are the attorneys. What you get is you get a voucher or some sort of something that's redeemed. But do you have change? Do you have justice? Do you have the kind of closure that you need by testifying about your particular experience? That's what all of these plaintiffs now have.
The plaintiffs, they've already said they're not going to settle. So this is not a question of how much money Live Nation can throw at them. They want these arguments to be heard by a jury, while Live Nation wants these arguments to be done in arbitration.
And it's not just Taylor Swift and her fans.
This is not a Swiftie problem. Nothing has been changed since the Eras Tour sale. So you have Beyonce fans that were treated poorly, that were, their ticket prices were exorbitant. And our belief is that we need to band together for all artists and for all fans.
Are you hopeful you guys can win this fight?
Oh, I'm going to win. Don't you worry about that.
The case now going into discovery. The next hearing is expected in late May. It took weeks, but in the end, Barfus connected with a friend on Instagram that found her 2 tickets. She paid more than $300 for each.
Cannot wait for that show. It's July 29th. I'm counting down the days, already making plans. But I also came away feeling like something has to change. And if not me, then who is going to do it?
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.